Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Tucked into a wide valley in southeastern British Columbia, Creston sits between the Selkirk and Purcell mountain ranges, close to the border with the United States. It's a place shaped by geography, fertile farmland, wetlands, and a climate that's noticeably milder than much of the surrounding region. Summers here are warm and dry, making it one of the few areas in the province where orchards and vineyards thrive. That combination of mountains and agriculture gives Creston a distinct character that feels both rugged and cultivated at the same time. Long before European settlers arrived, this valley was home to indigenous peoples, including the Kootenay, who lived off the land and waters of the region. The nearby wetlands and rivers provided fish, waterfowl, and fertile ground for gathering plants. These natural resources supported a way of life that was closely tied to seasonal cycles, something that still echoes in the rhythms of the valley today. European settlement began in the late 1800s as pioneers moved into the area looking for farmland and opportunity. Agriculture quickly became the backbone of the community, with fruit growing, dairy farming, and grain production taking hold. The rich soil of the valley floor, built up over thousands of years, proved ideal for farming. One of the most significant transformations of the area came in the early 1900s, when large-scale drainage and diking projects were undertaken to control flooding from the Kootenay River. These efforts turned vast stretches of marshland into productive farmland, allowing agriculture to expand. While this reshaped the landscape, parts of the original wetlands were later preserved, leading to the creation of the Creston Valley Wildlife Management Area, now one of the largest protected wetlands in British Columbia. Throughout the 20th century, Creston continued to grow as an agricultural hub. Apples, cherries, peaches, and other fruits became a signature of the region, supported by the long growing season and fertile soil. Grain and dairy farming also remained important. Over time, the area diversified, and today, vineyards and wineries have added a new layer to the local economy, reflecting both tradition and change in how the land is used. Creston's location has always played a key role in its development. Positioned along important transportation routes, it became a natural stop for trade and travel through the Kootenays. The arrival of railways in the early 20th century helped connect the town to larger markets, making it easier to export agricultural products and bring in goods. Even now, the surrounding highways continue to link Creston to nearby communities and across the international border. The town itself has a quiet, steady feel, shaped by generations of people who have worked the land and built a close-knit community. Heritage buildings and local landmarks offer glimpses into its past, while modern shops, markets, and festivals reflect its present. Seasonal events, especially those tied to agriculture, highlight the importance of harvest time and bring residents and visitors together. Nature remains a defining feature of life in Creston. The nearby wetlands attract thousands of migratory birds each year, making the area a well-known destination for birdwatching. The surrounding mountains offer opportunities for hiking, exploring, and taking in sweeping views of the valley below. Today, Creston stands as a blend of history, agriculture, and natural beauty. It's a community that has adapted over time, finding new ways to grow while holding onto its roots.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!